Hey guys, and it's official. Samsung has just released the official trailer of its brand new Exynos 1080 processor, highlighting everything it can do, teasing in the most Samsung way possible, and also the device shown looks so much similar to how the Galaxy S21 family will look. And speaking of S21 family, we have an exclusive feature leak coming with One UI 3.1 that will let you unlock your phone using your voice. Plus, Samsung's ultimate secret plan on how exactly they're gonna beat the Qualcomm Snapdragon 875, we're going to be discussing all in this video. Now, a big shout out to Wondershare for sponsoring this video. Wondershare is a platform that gives you the ability to unleash your creativity through a range of different powerful softwares that are very easy to use. Wondershare products are reliable and they are trusted by millions of people by over 150 countries in the world. They have simplified technology by creating solutions for creativity, productivity, and utility. If you have not bought a Wondershare product before, then this is the perfect time because Wondershare products are now on amazing discount deals that are bigger than Black Friday. Yes, the discount is available on all Wondershare products. For example, one of my favorite go-to software, Recover It, this software usually cost $59.99 and now it's down to only $35.99. So a big discount on all different range of Wondershare products. So don't wait, check out the first link in the description to get the exclusive best deal. Okay, so let's first talk about the Exynos 1080 chip. This is the second best Exynos chip for next year and it already surpasses the best Android chip that is available right now, which is Snapdragon 865 Plus. Samsung is finally embracing the proper ARM Cortex A78 cores. This will bring out the ultimate beast performance combined with that Melee G78 graphics. GPU performance on Exynos chips are always criticized, but this time the GPU is also better than the Adreno graphics on the 865 Plus. Still, this processor got some extremely amazing stuff like full support for a HDR 144Hz display, 200 megapixel camera support, HDR10 plus video in 4K Ultra HD. I'm pretty sure it can handle standard 8K as well, and it's also the first Samsung chip built on 5nm process. A 5G processor that makes your phone fly, not just Samsung phone but also other companies' phones like Vivo, Oppo, all these brands will most likely be using this chip because it is not only better than Qualcomm, it's also going to cost cheaper. Now, Exynos 2100 will be the ultimate Samsung chip for 2021, and the way Samsung is planning on beating the 875 chip is all in the speed. Core by core, Samsung has clocked the Exynos 2100 chip on a higher frequency compared to the Snapdragon 875. We've got 4 GHz more speed in Cortex A78 and Cortex A55 cores, with Cortex X1 core nearly touching 3 GHz on its absolute peak value. This will indeed give the Exynos 2100 the performance edge it needs. According to iOS Universe, the Exynos 2100 processor scores 4000 multi-core in Geekbench 5, which is very close to Apple A14 levels. This is the score of iPhone 12 Pro Max on its latest iOS 14.2.1. I think Samsung has a real chance to level with Apple. Again, we'll see more in the coming days. Also, we have a new report from South Korea giving us some information on Samsung's expectation on the Galaxy S21 series. It seems like initially only 6 million units of the S21 series combined will be offered. At the moment, Samsung is not expecting huge demand for this brand new series. If you look at the S21 and S21 Plus, they're very similar to how the Galaxy S20 and S20 Plus phones are. No big changes when it comes to the camera, and yes, there are things improved here and there, but the ultimate change is coming with the most expensive S21 model, the S21 Ultra. The new ISOCELL HM3 sensor is going to bring some new changes to the table. Apparently, Samsung is embarrassed on its 100 megapixel sensor performance, so they might offer their HM2 sensor to mid-range phones. So HM3 in the S21 Ultra will specifically be made at a specific flagship level. Hopefully, we'll see some serious gains, faster autofocus, of course, all those things that we have seen on the S20 Ultra. Ultra. Samsung will be fixing everything with a dedicated mood mode coming, heavy night mode improvements, and also the first phone to bring 8K 30 FPS video. Some more case leaks further confirming the design of the S21 series, the phantom color poses for the renders once again. You can see the power and volume rocker on the right hand side, and then the shiny color coordinated camera bump towards the left hand side, along with a nice LED flash opening. We have yet to see some cases regarding the S21 Ultra. I'm pretty sure third-party cases will offer the ability to store the S Pen for those who wanna invest in that option. Now last but not the least, as reported on sammobile.com, One UI 3.1 will come ready and fresh on board with the S21 series. Apparently, users will be able to unlock their phone by just saying hi Bixby. Maybe Samsung wants to explore more possibilities of how to unlock your phone hands off. It's kinda cool. I hope Samsung has the AI to make this as secure as possible. Again, the fingerprint scanner will most likely be the most secure form to unlock your future Galaxy flagship. So that's all the latest news. Exynos 1080 is looking strong. I'm still super interested to see which Samsung phone will be utilizing this chip, perhaps Samsung Galaxy A72. This also gives me a big hope on the Exynos 2100, which has more clock speed than 875 at every core. Really excited. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.